everyone, welcome to the hip hop tutorial. My name is Mel and you'll be learning 3 hip hop dance steps. If you want to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our channel. At the end of the video, I'll be showing you how to combine these 3 movements and we'll drill it 5 times in a row. Let me show you the moves with music first and then we'll break it down. All right, the first move we're gonna do is called the two-step, and this is the meat and potatoes of all hip hop dance steps. The two-step is where we're basically taking 2 steps, and it looks like this: 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now, with the feet first, we're stepping with our right foot, step right, and then tapping with our left, tap. Then we do the same thing, left, right. Left, tap right. In terms of where my weight is, my weight shifts right and left. So weight is on the right, weight is on the left. Weight is on the right, weight is on the left. So you're kind of doing a double tap every time you switch. So I'm going right, left, left, right, right, left, left, right. With the torso, this is where it kind of gets interesting because we're doing 2 different grooves. So we're doing the legs and then now we're adding some torso. And if it feels a little bit challenging today, it's okay. This is something you can practice over time. But what's happening with our upper body is we're rocking up, rocking our torso up, where we're going double time to the side or 2 times to the side. 2, 2, 2, 2. So every time we step, we rock up. Step. Notice the rock is up every time we step. Rock, 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 rock. Now without the rock, it just looks like this, which is fine if we're focusing on the steps and you want to graduate with the torso coming up. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this step, this 2-step is the ABCs of most of the hip hop dance steps you'll learn in grooves, top rock, party dancing, freestyle hip hop. A lot of this is involved with the rock and the bounce. The next step that we're gonna do is the grapevine. You'll see this move in the electric slide and in a lot of other social dance steps. So with the grapevine, we're gonna start with our feet. And you want to think step behind. So we're going right, step behind, left, step out right, together left. Let's try that again. So we're only going to do this sequence once to the right. So again, right foot, grapevine, we're going right, step behind, right, step together. So on grapevine, you're going to do 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Try it again. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we're adding that rock step. And again, if it feels a little weird to you because there's 2 things happening, it's okay. These are progressions that you can train over time. But now we're adding our rock up. So same thing with the 2-step. Every time we step for the grapevine, your torso rocks up. So you're going 1, 2, 3, 4 with the feet. You're going 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try that again. So every time we step, we rock up. 6, 7, 8. You're going 1, 2, 3, 4. Now adding the 4-step turn, we're going to go to the other side, to the left, and we start with our left foot. So just the feet, and this time we're going to do a full turn, right? So here we're going left, step right, step left, step together. All right, so notice that every time we step, we do a pivot turn or a 180-degree change in direction. So I stay at the front, then I step to the back, then I step to the front, and then step together. So one more time, we're stepping with our left foot, and now we're gonna add the rock. So we're going 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so stepping with our left foot, you're going 5, pivot, 6, 7, 8. So you're going down, up, down, up. And again, the more you practice this, the easier it gets. So we're going down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up with our torso. So now we're going to put these 3 steps together so you know what it feels like in between the transitions, and we're going to do it with counts 2 times in a row. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Grapevine. 1, 2, 3, 4 step turn. 5, 6, 7. A little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Grapevine. 1, 2, 3, 4 step turn. 6, 7, 8. All right, now let's do this 5 times in a row with music. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We also have a free program for you, and it's in our description box below.